Hi everyone, here we will present the result of our research entitled Digisafebook Interactive Media for Early Childhood Safety Education. Our research team consists Miss Kristi Justisia, Miss Vinita Dewi, Miss Suci Utami Putri, and my name is Aulia Shakinah Maulani, and my friend.
And my name is Miftahul Iza Ashari.
Okay, let's go straight to the next discussion.
Secondly, we would like to share our context about our research is about case in a child. Have you ever wondered about case in a child in Indonesia? Nah, this is the context of our research. Number one is the Indonesian Child Protection Commission reported a drastic 60% increase in case of child sexual abuse compared to the previous year, recording around 1,800 complaints related to the fulfillment of children's rights and special protection for children. And secondly, the Indonesian Child Protection Commission received 141 complaints related to child violence at the beginning of this year, with approximately 35% of these reports linked to school-related situations by Maulana 2024. And thirdly, our contact is about preschool teachers have problem about education media, especially for personal safety education. And fourth, our context of research is about an engaging and interactive media solution is needed to introduce self-safety education to young children.
And the next context of solution. The solution to this problem is to create media that provides information about personal safety. Digisafebook book creator, with its engaging and interactive feature, aims to facilitate educators or parents in providing information about early childhood safety.
Okay, let me ask you. Do you understand the research problem we have stated? Some of context before? Okay, the research question of our research is number one. What is the development process of the Digisafebook media as a sexual education stimulation tool for early childhood? And number two is what are the results of the validation test of the Digisafebook media as a sexual education stimulation tool for early childhood? And number three, what are the final results of the Digisafebook media prototype as a sexual education stimulation tool in learning? That is three research questions of our research.
Definition Book Creator is an intuitive digital tool designed to create multimedia ebooks on various subjects. This tool enables users, including students and educators, to combine text, audio, video, image, and photos, thus fostering creativity and enjoyment in the learning process. The media used in the self-safety program is designed for three learning styles: an auditory, visual, and kinesthetic. These media are created using digital platforms such as Canva, Bitmoji, Book Creator, and Pinterest.
And this picture is page number 1 on ebook Book Creator. My body belongs to me.
And this is the learning achievement in our Digisafebook.
On the next page in Book Creator My Body Belongs to Me, we make some game creativity to educate children about which body parts are private and should not be touched by anyone else.
And this is the goal is to prevent children from being harmed by strangers by teaching them safety skills.
In our research, we focus on about safety education. Definition of safety education. Early childhood safety is a condition that reflects the preservation of a child's physical, mental, and emotional well-being from various potential threats or risks that could result in injury, trauma, or other negative impacts.
And this is safety principle. There are four principles in self-protection. Children can recognize dangers, avoid dangers, control dangers, and do not create dangers.
Here are some stages in our research methods that are design research, research location, research object, research stage, data technique collection, data analysis technique, and conclusion of research result.
And this is the search book for the research method we ask.
And the participant and location research on this study involved by two media expert tests and two material tests from equilators in Purwakarta and Bandung and involved feasibility testing to 20 parents and 80 teachers.
As for the flow of research technique and stage, number 1, identification, number 2, interview, number 3, making Digisafebook, number 4, expert judgment, number 5, revision, and number 6, conclusion.
Okay, before the end, we would like to tell you about the conclusion of our research result. Is number one, the design and development of the Digisafebook media for sexual education stimulation in early childhood line with the characteristic of children's sexual education needs. And number two, the quality level of the Digisafebook media's feasibility for sexual education stimulation in early childhood is highly suitable for use as a medium to introduce sexual education to young children. This is supported by interactive videos that greatly assist children in understanding the material present. Greatly assist children in understanding the material presents, as well as sparking their curiosity about sexual education for early childhood. And number three, the final result of the Digisafebook media prototype for sexual education stimulation meets the initial development needs. Maybe that's all the conclusion of our research. Here are some documentation on the utilization of Digisafebook interactive media for early childhood. Book creator My Body Belongs to Me. Okay, the last. Perhaps the concludes our presentation on this research. If there are so many shortcomings, we apologize profusely. We hope this information has been beneficial. Thank you for your attention and goodbye.